bustling metropolis where dreams soar high and possibilities are endless, it's a powerhouse of potential. It's Mumbai, with abundant small and medium-sized enterprises, making it fertile ground for revenue generation and growth. And who better to harness this potential than the Tata Tele Business Services Mumbai Yodhha team? We believe in the strength of collaboration and the freedom of experimentation. We understand the importance of owning our roles, taking responsibility for our actions, pushing ourselves to excel. Our mission is clear: to achieve greatness. We've set our sights on an ambitious goal of 500 crores in annual revenue for the Mumbai region, with robust network footprint and seamless delivery driven by initiatives like green buildings, GPON, and Project Vistar set us apart as leaders in the enterprise connectivity and communication space. Strategic key partnerships with giants like Microsoft, Meta, Google, and Zoom. We offer cutting-edge solutions, solidifying our pioneer status. Our faster, simpler, closer culture celebrates customer-centric behaviors, diversity, fosters creativity, and values adaptability, empowering us to tackle challenges with resilience and innovation. Through thought leadership, mentorship, and training, we cultivate talent, ensuring excellence and inspiration across all levels. With our resilience and full potential, we're poised to achieve a 2x scale in core connectivity revenue and a remarkable 10x scale in cloud and platform revenue. And with the backing of the esteemed Tata brand, we stand tall with confidence and pride. Our legacy is our strength, and our reputation precedes us. So let's rise to the occasion, Mumbai. Let's unleash our potential, seize every opportunity, and write the next chapter of success together. The future is bright, and the possibilities are limitless. Tata Telebusiness Services, where champions are made and success knows no bounds.